Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup, and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together, whatever that may have been. We would love to have you stay. But we can watch you go. It's okay. It is what it is. Today is my favorite day of the week. It is my little series, my little segment called Mish, Mash, Monday. It is where I take two palettes, I random number generate the shades out of them, and then I make a look with them. So today's palettes are the Beauty Bay A Reckless Romance palette, which looks like that, and the Cosmic Beauty Undergrowth palette, which looks like this. This look turned out so freaking cool. I really love it. So if you want to do a little palette bingo with me, do a little makeup chat, you know, just have a little hangout makeup time, then let's get into this. Hello, welcome. Hello, how are we on this lovely Monday? It is Mish Mash Monday. If you do not know what Mish Mash Monday is, Mish Mash Monday is where I take two random palettes from my collection. I try to pick ones where the color stories don't really go together, and then we random number generate 3 shades out of each palette, and then we create a look with them. So today's palettes are the Beauty Bay A Reckless Romance, which looks like this, and then the Cosmic Beauty Cosmic Brushes Undergrowth, which looks like this. This is such a stunning palette. It's probably one of my top favorites of the year, so I'm super excited to play with this one today. I feel like pairing these two together is going to be a lot of fun, so I'm super excited about that. So let's go pick our shades. I also have a bubbler. It's the Tropical Dreamer, the Pineapple Mango Apple Lime one. I'm feeling a little bit dead today, so I'm hoping that this can like vamp me up a little bit. We are going to start with the Reckless Romance palette. There's 20 shades in each of these, so let's start. So first, two is that shade right there called Rebel. Next, 14 is that shade right there called Backstage. I just want to say that I have my window like a little bit slightly open. The fact that it is like in November in Minnesota and I still have my window open, it's kind of crazy. So there's that. But last shade from this palette, 8. We're going even numbers today, my goodness. 8 is that shade right there called Affair. Like I said, the Undergrowth palette also has 20 shades, so 18 is that shade right there called Reeds. Next, 12 is that shade right there called Roots. And last but not least, 14, all evens. 14 is that shade right there called Lichen. I'm super excited to play with this palette more coming up. When I post this, I'm going to be on vacation, just an FYI. But yeah, I'm excited to play with this when I get back because like this is just, it's super pretty. I'm going to go swatch this and then we will come up with a game plan. Y'all, this, I love this. I know I'm going to really enjoy. This is such a good pull. I'm like, thank you. I needed this today. It's not been a good day, but this is going to be so much fun. I can see things with this. I kind of want to plop that like bright ass yellow in the inner corner. Play with like this, like up in here. Yeah, I see things with this. This is a very good pull. I'm very happy. I know I keep saying very, but like this is some good stuff right here. So this side right here is the Reckless Romance, and then that side is the Undergrowth. So that is Rebel, Backstage, Affair, Reeds, Roots, and Lichen. I think that's how you say it. I feel like I'm mispronouncing it. There's Dexter. But yeah, this is, I'm so excited for this one. As always, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links. They're just kind of there in case you see something in this video that you would, maybe like to purchase or go peep out a little bit. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to N, and then setting it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder that I need to get more of because I'm running out. Let me scooch you in. I think I'm going to start by taking this Rebel shade right there, and we're going to pop that into the crease. So I'm going to start with my Unearthly UC8 5 brush here. Just tapping it in, tapping it out, and then we're going to be plopping it into right here. So just plopping it in where I want it for right now. And then we can like blend it out in a bit, but for right now, it's just more about placement. So once I have that there, I am gonna go in with my Unearthly UC87. And I'm just gonna take whatever's up here and just sort of blend it out a little bit. Maybe dipping the brush in a little bit and just blending everything out. I also haven't played with this Reckless Romance palette in such a long time too. They're such good freaking palettes. I think I might have to end up ranking my palettes that I got this year. Maybe, we'll see. Because I think I've gotten a good amount. But just taking that UC8 5 brush again and just, you know, deepening this part out. I think I'm going to take this pink just a tiny bit more into this area. Because why not? This side's a lot more messier. That's how it always goes. My right eye always is a mess, and then my left eye always looks really good. It's just how it goes. But I think I'm going to go in with that a fair shade right there. Again, still same brush. Tapping it off. And just taking it right along that line still. So now that I have that plopped in there, I'm going to clean that brush off a little bit and just blend. It's a mess. I'm kind of vibing with it though. So I think I'm going to use like that down here. Okay, we're going to use that a fair shade and that, I think this is Roots down there. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to use that gray, but I'm thinking about plopping this shade right here in this space. I've kind of got an idea. I don't know how to explain it. But I'm going to take my Refer 28 here, and then we're gonna go in with that Reeds shade right there. Boob. Boober. Oh my god. So that's my cat losing his mind. But I'm going to be taking that Reed shade and just plopping it into this area right here. I might honestly switch up my brush. Yeah, because I realized it works a lot better for this. So I'm switching to my Refer 21 and just plopping it in here. Taking it and dragging it out that way. That's kind of a vibe. I like that. I really kind of like how that looks. I'm very lost on what to do with this like kind of grayish shade. Like I said, I think I'm going to use that and like that down here. I'm going to put this bright yellow in here. I just realized this isn't all matte. This is all matte. I have no shimmer. But again, I'm back to that gray shade. Maybe I can find my liner brush and we can maybe add it right here. I don't feel like that'd be that bad of an idea. So that is that shade right there called Backstage. I'm gonna take that on my Refer 29. This is like a good liner brush. And maybe just, that's not bad. Just keeping it along the lash line here. That's not bad. That's not bad. Once this liner and this side is not going that well. It's weird. I think I'm gonna keep it at this. And then I'm gonna do my face. I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip details. We'll do the under eye. This isn't turning out that bad. I'm not mad at it, but we'll see. I have an idea. I might go in with a little bit of this Melt Onx Ultra Matte Gel Liner and maybe do something in here, but I don't know. We will see. But if I do come back with like a little bit of stuff up here, just know it was this. Hello, I'm back. Let's run through quick details. I want to see if I can get 2 videos filmed today, so I kind of got a speed run through this. So for blush, I went in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks, almost a highlight palette, blush palette, and I went in with Mouth Watering right there. And then I went in with the REM Beauty Satin Matte Blush in Strawberry Nebula. She's gorgeous. And then I went in with the Blend Bunny Noctilucent Highlight Palette. This is my go-to. She's my baby. She's used and abused. I went with it in with a little bit of pink up in the eyebrows. And then I took in the yellow one right here called Enlighten and just threw that all over my face because, I don't know, I felt like that was the vibe of where we needed to go. Okay, so we needed to use that brown shade still. That, is it Roots? Yeah, that Roots shade right there. So I think I'm going to start by going in with my Rephr 03, and we're going to go in with that Roots shade. Also, I did go in here with a black liner from Pixie, and then I just put some dots up here because I'm a little, you know, ladybug. But like I said, I'm going to go in with that Roots shade. I'm just going to take it along this lower lash line the whole way. Then going in with that, you know what, we'll switch to that, yeah, to that Rebel shade right there. Again, still the same brush, and just mix it in. Kind of leaving a little bit of it open up on this front side. This is gorgeous, you guys. This is stunning. Okay, so now we need to do the inner corner. So I need to find a good brush for this. I don't want to keep using the same one, but I feel like this brush is probably my best bet for that part. So there's that. So we're going to go in with that Lichen, oh my gosh, Lichen shade right there. And we're going to be popping that into the inner corner here. That's a vibe. Y'all. I like that. That's freaking pretty. Maybe taking a little bit down that way. Oof. Oof. Yep. Do we need a little bit something on this lip, or do we kind of just want to leave everything matte? I'm kind of feeling just leaving everything matte. I think that's kind of a vibe. You know, I think it's kind of something. I'm proud of myself. There's literally no shimmer other than the highlight on my face. That's kind of crazy. I really like how this turned out, though. This is like super gorgeous. I'm gonna move my face in a little bit so you can see the look here. I think this turned out super good. I really like this color story. This is just, yeah, this is one of my better like pulls in a hot minute. And I like it a whole freaking lot. This is super gorgeous. I love a good pink. Okay, I love a good pink. So I really, really do like this. This turned out so good. Oh my gosh, I'm really happy with it. Yay. If you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of you for being here. I really do enjoy doing this. I'm having a lot of fun as of late. So just thank you for being here. A couple of things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. And you honestly need to pull the stick out of your ass if that's the way that you are choosing to live, okay? Okay. And remember to be taking in enough food, enough water, enough nutrients, enough self-care days. We're getting to that portion of the year where I feel like a bunch of sicknesses are going to go around, and you know, the seasonal depression, all that stuff. So just be making sure that you're taking care of yourself and doing things for you. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate every single one of you so much for helping me achieve my little dream here. So remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.